Pembelajaran di dalam kelas berdasarkan asesmen formatif. Ketika diawali pembelajaran, guru membagi siswa berdasarkan kelompok sesuai dengan capaian belajar mereka. Proses ini disebut dengan diferensiasi pembelajaran. Dengan demikian, setiap siswa dapat belajar sesuai dengan capaian belajarnya di dalam kelompok. Sekolah wajib menyelenggarakan program pembelajaran tambahan untuk siswa yang belum siap belajar sesuai dengan kelompoknya.
Okay, students, you know that we have already seen you choose the group. The first one, you have chosen the paper of the card that you are audio visual group. Is that right? Okay, and then this one, you have chosen the paper that yellow, you are digital ebook group. Is that right? Okay. How about this one? You choose the white one, you are audio or printed one? Audio. Okay, good. And the last one, you are printed text, yeah. Okay. Now, please prepare yourself. Dibuka materinya masing-masing. Audio, prepare your headphone set, and then audio visual. Please focus on the LCD screen and the digital one. You may open your WhatsApp group. Dibuka linknya, and then the printed. I'm going to give you the printed text. Okay, now do the
Princess, you look stunning.
watch the video. Time is up.
Highness's beauty is
Buka
blending.
catatannya, and then the audio, and then also the digital. And this one the paper
I'm
one.
grateful to you
One
all.
for you.
Just think, in a few moments I'll be
And
married.
carefully, you can take notes.
The prince is here.
You may discuss
Oh my
together with the
goodness.
group.
Oh my good. Oh, ouch. Your Highness?
You may open your note, your book. Check
Ow.
what's
Is it
important.
really? Ah,
Oh, coba.
my
You
face.
also open your book.
Elaine looked at her reflection into horror.
The first story.
Across her face was a tiny scar. Princess, it's really nothing. Nothing? It's my wedding day, and I've got this disaster on my face. I feel so dreadful. Oh, only my beloved can console me. She ran to meet her prince.
Oke.
Pay attention carefully, ya.
My beloved. We know you too, Elaine. Ever since you were a baby. And now, even with this heartbreak, forget about him. Let the affection cease. No, I'm done with love. Love? That wasn't love. Does he know about your other amazing qualities? Like how you adore bugs, or you're terrible.
Once upon a time, there was an island where all the feelings live. Happiness, sadness, knowledge, and all of the others, including love. One day, it was announced to the feelings that our island would sing. So all the constructed gods and life, except for love. Love was the only one who stayed. Love wants to hold out until the last possible moment. When the island had almost sunk, Love decided to ask for help. Listeners was passing by Love in a gunboat. Love said, "Listeners, can you take me with you?" Listeners answered, "No, I can't. There is a lot of gold and silver in my boat. There's no place here for you." Love decided to ask Vanity, who was also passing by in beautiful vessel. "Vanity, please help me."
Dengan penulis harus sudah mendengarkan gini sampai pegang pensil.
Carter Drews was born
Cut.
Disconnected.
ini dibuka sana.
I want to ask you several questions for each group from 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to ask you 3 questions. The first, actually, who were the characters in the story? And then the second one, what happened actually in the story? Okay. And then the last one, how do you feel when you read the story? Okay. Yeah, who wants to try from group 1? Okay, good. Group 2? Okay, good. Group 3? Thank you, Claire. And the last one? Okay, please come forward. Stand up over there and present your answer. Give applause for your friends. Okay, from group 1? Okay, who were the characters in the story that you watch?
In the story have maybe 5 or 6 character. In the first, a maid. In the main character is Lady and the prince, Prince Jeffrey, and the spirit, and the last one is king and queen.
Okay, thank you. Good. Next one, go back to your position. Group 2, time is yours. Who were the characters that you read?
Aki Wija and Aki Sundar.
Only 2?
Yes.
Okay, the next one, the third one. Who were the characters on the story you read?
The main character is a magic horse, a black magic horse. Any character, another horse again.
Okay, thank you. The last one.
There's love, sadness, richness, vanity, and knowledge.
So, feelings.
Uh,
The love one.
yes.
Okay. The next one. What the story about actually?
The story is about the princess. He got big hurt because he got she got cancelled married from the prince, and he go to the tree spirit, and she want to be a snake.
I see. Okay, thank you. Another one. Okay, what the story about?
The five, Aki Wija and Aki Sun. Lupa mem.
Aki Wija and Aki Sunter.
Boleh diulang? Dari awal. The five, Aki Wija and Aki Sundar for possessing a land.
Okay.
The story tell about a magic horse can fly in the sky, but the horse not have wings.
I see. Okay. The next one. What's the story about?
The story is about an island that will sing, and there's 4 or 5 characters in that island.
Okay. Okay. Give applause for all of the friends. Okay. Please give big applause for your cute friends. Okay, good morning guys. How are you today? Alhamdulillah. Sehat semuanya ya? Ya, today we meet again. Ini untuk extensive learning atau pembelajaran tambahan, mengingat ada sedikit yang masih belum kalian kuasai. But don't worry, that's normal, that's natural for learning the English, specifically how to understand story. Jadi tema kita masih sama karena kalian ada sedikit kurang maksimal dalam pemahaman cerita. Jadi kali ini we are going to relearn again about the story that's about folktale. Tahu folktale? Maknanya Snow White, Cinderella, that's folktale. Fairy tale. Ada dongeng, folktale itu cerita rakyat, legend. Apa legend? The meaning of legend? Legenda. Semuanya cerita kan dari legenda from Padang, Maling Kudang, from Banyuwangi, the legend of Banyuwangi, and Tangkuban Perahu, those are legend. Yeah. But now we are going to understand one example of a fairy tale from Europe, and this is the story. Perhatikan, agak mendekat. Ini characters, setting of place, setting of time, problems, incidents, climax, and ending.
Elaine looked at her reflection in horror. Across her face was a tiny scar. Princess, it's really nothing. Nothing? It's my wedding day, and I've got this disaster on my face.
Okay, by the way, do you understand who is the main character? Princess or prince? The prince or princess? You see in the story? Princess. Beautiful or not?
Yes.
Where is the setting of the story? In the kingdom, in the castle? Okay. And you see the problem? Okay. Okay, I want to ask first before I ask you. Okay, Becca, time is yours.
Ma'am, I want to ask, how to get moral value from the story?
To start the discussion today, I want you to enjoy this story. Try to understand the characters, the setting of place, time, conflicts, problems, climax, and ending. Time is yours.
A certain kingdom was bursting with celebration. Their beloved princess was getting married. Elaine was known for her beauty, which captivated even the toughest of hearts. So, of course, when the time had come, she picked the most handsome prince. Oh, princess, you look stunning.
Moral value. Okay, before that, do you know what is the meaning moral value?
Yes.
What is that? Apa maknanya moral value itu? Pesan, moral, atau amanat. Okay, good job. Okay, the tips to understand or to get moral value from the story. First, you need to know well the problems, the incidents. That's good or bad. And then the characters, tokoh-tokohnya, sikap-sikapnya sepanjang cerita. Nah, the moral value moral, surely you are going to get positive moral value or negative moral value. Malin Kundang give positive or negative example? Negatif. Berarti pesan moralnya bagaimana menjadi anak untuk bakti sama ibunya. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for your coming, for your participation in our intensive learning. Semangat belajar selalu. Jangan lupa untuk keep on practicing. Okay, give applause for all of us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Untuk memulai rapat evaluasi pada hari Jumat ini, sebelumnya mari kita berdoa menurut agama dan keyakinan masing-masing. Semoga untuk rapat evaluasi ini dapat terlaksana dengan lancar. Berdoa menurut agama dan keyakinan masing-masing. Mulai. Berdoa selesai. Sebelumnya, selamat untuk si 2 telah melaksanakan kegiatan berbagi semangat air bersih ya Kak, dengan lancar dan sangat disambut antusias oleh warga Pacing dan juga warga Sambong. Tangan atas. Terima kasih kerja kerasnya. Di balik sukses pasti ada sedikit lah evaluasi dari kegiatan tersebut. Silakan Kak Ketua Pelaksana untuk evaluasinya.
Ya, terima kasih Kak Mutiara atas waktunya. Untuk evaluasi kegiatan air bersih kemarin adalah dari OSIS kami sebenarnya sudah bisa dibilang cukup baik. Namun ya pasti ada beberapa hal yang kurang. Tapi yang lebih banyak kurangnya itu dari kita bekerja sama dengan kita. Contohnya di yang sumber air dan juga dari
warganya,
kepala desanya ya. Ya, dari airnya itu kita sudah sepakat untuk pukul 9 sampai di lokasi. Namun setelah sampai sana ternyata orangnya belum sampai. Kira-kira sampai di sana pukul 10.
Miskomunikasi.
Iya, miskomunikasi. Sudah saya telepon, sudah saya chat juga responnya masih OTW gitu terus. Setelah itu dari kepala desanya, setelah saya hubungi diminta untuk ke balai desa. Nah, setelah saya sampai ke balai desa, ternyata kepala desanya nggak ada, perangkat desanya juga tidak ada yang ada di sana. Lalu ada satu perangkat desa saja baru datang, itu minta kami untuk menunggu Bapak Sekdes. Bapak Sekdesnya juga belum datang, dan ternyata tempat untuk titik-titik pembagiannya belum terbagi juga. Jadi kita harus menunggu kembali. Jadi untuk pembagiannya tuh kesiangan, tidak sesuai dengan rundown yang sudah kita buat.
Jadi tidak sesuai jam lebih mundur ya.
Ya, itu untuk yang di desa Pacing. Nah, untuk yang di desa Sambong itu juga sama, akses untuk kesananya juga jauh lebih susah, jalannya
susah sekali.
Jalannya
perbaikan jalan sepertinya.
Sampai mobil tuh nggak bisa karena jalannya tuh kayak mengkap-mengkap gitu.
Terus kepala desanya juga ternyata belum menyampaikan ke warganya bahwa akan ada bantuan. Nah, jadi di sana kita harus menunggu lagi. Syukurnya itu kepala desanya sudah standby di sana, jadi
plus minus.
Iya, plus minus lah saja cuma.
Tapi untuk antusias warganya cukup baik
ya, sangat baik.
Mungkin kakak ada saran untuk memperbaiki kesalahan berikutnya, kesalahan yang sebelumnya untuk kedepannya program-program mungkin. Gini ya, mungkin bisa ya nantinya kita yang mendatangi desa tersebut untuk ya setidaknya sebar pamflet lah jika untuk menangani jika perangkat desa tidak ya ada yang miskomunikasi seperti itu.
Untuk beruntungnya juga saya sudah berkomunikasi dengan salah satu warganya, bukan hanya di kepala desanya saja.
Iya, bisa jadi.
Oke. Yes. Sebenarnya cukup dari saya untuk evaluasi.
Oh ya, berikutnya ada laporan juga itu dari Desa Kedung-Adung, mungkin bisa ditindaklanjuti. The next project.
Iya, bisa.
Terima kasih. Sebelumnya saya ucapkan terima kasih juga untuk kakak-kakak sudah bekerja keras dengan baik sehingga programnya bisa terlaksana dengan lancar. Semoga next event bisa lebih baik lagi untuk kegiatan sosialnya. Ditunggu program-program yang lebih luar biasa lagi. terima kasih atas kehadirannya di rapat hari ini. Semoga next event bisa lebih luar biasa, ditunggu program-program sosialnya. Sebelum menutup rapat hari ini, mari kita berdoa. Berdoa menurut agama dan keyakinan masing-masing. Berdoa mulai. Berdoa selesai. Terima kasih, give applause untuk diri kalian sendiri dan terima kasih untuk kakak-kakak. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Gimana dia? Iya. Oke, ya jadi Indonesia ini pertemuan dari tiga lempeng. Yang pertama adalah lempeng Eurasia, terus lempeng Indo-Australia. Oke, selanjutnya
ini Pasifik.
Lempeng Pasifik. Dari adanya pertemuan tiga lempeng ini ada pergerakan lempeng, ada apa? Subduction, terus juga ada yang konvergen, divergen sama transform. Nah, akibatnya untuk Indonesia apa ini? Kita lihat di sini. Terjadinya Indonesia banyak gempa, banyak bencana alam, gunung api, ya kan? Ini berkorelasi dengan posisi Indonesia atau letak Indonesia berdasarkan tiga lempeng ini. Gitu. Oke.